Welcome to Pearson Bryson. My name's Conrad. I'm a business analyst, and Pearson Bryson is going to be investing in a company by the name of TOTO. TOTO. You probably have not paid attention to this, but most of the luxury and commercial buildings in the United States, high-end restaurants, etc., and quite a bit of just commercial banks and in their restroom establishments have TOTO brand. It's a brand that's been around since 1917, over 100 years, 108 years to be exact, as of 2025. Currently in Tokyo, Japan. It's a Tokyo-based company that's an international conglomerate. We're in the Western world, United States, Canada, all over the world, Tokyo especially. It's one of the main toilet manufacturers and prized for their technology. Let me flip this around and show you. Tokyo, Japan, at the Team Lab restroom, as you see, TOTO. Known for the technology, absolutely beautiful, efficient, clean restroom.